Ever dreamt of diving headfirst into the exciting world of wet X and building skills that truly matter? Let's explore how Infosys training empowers your tech aspirations in the dynamic realm of wet X. First, what actually is wet X and why is it important for your career growth? It's all about future innovation in the digital space, and this training equips you specifically for those new technologies. The process is incredibly straightforward, but a bit of research pays off. Start by navigating to what you believe is the official Infosys career or training website, or your company's specified portal. Watch the tutorial for helpful navigation. Next, go through the application process. They'll guide you on selecting the right training modules for the project you want to work on and the wet X skills you're hoping to develop. Make sure to carefully consider programs offered and read the scope of training. Once enrolled and accepted, you'll be welcomed into the Immersive training program. This is where the magic really begins. They'll be diving into interactive sessions like these, practical projects, and workshops that help bridge theory with real-world application. The essence of the training, hence an experience. You'll get to work with current tools and learn industry best practices. Infosys training's main aim is to make you ready for the job market. Completing the training is a strategic move. Having this experience on your resume significantly boosts your chances of landing great projects or even landing your ideal job. It's also another key step to building confidence and a passion for digital innovation.